So today we are going to discuss about one of the properties of light, that is polarization. Light reflection, refraction, polarization is one of the properties of light shown by the light. So before going to discuss about what is polarization, first of all we must know the two unpolarized light. What is meant by unpolarized light, or what is the difference between unpolarized light and polarized light? Then we will know, or we can define polarization. What is polarization? So all of us knows that light waves are electromagnetic waves, transverse electromagnetic waves. That is, the electric field vectors and magnetic field vectors vibrating mutually perpendicular and also perpendicular to the direction of propagation of light. So all the optical properties are derived or depends on electric field vectors. So all the directions of electric field vectors are in all possible directions. Suppose this is the ray of light. This is the direction of propagation. And the electric field vectors are vibrating in all possible directions which are perpendicular to the direction of propagation. That is, some of the electric field vectors are vibrating in horizontal direction and some of the electric field vectors are vibrating in vertical direction. That is, they are perpendicular to each other. So in unpolarized light, both the direction, horizontal and vertical vibrations are present. Such a light in which both the directions of vibrations are present is known as unpolarized light. For simplicity, unpolarized light is represented as there are some dots and vertical arrows. What is the meaning of arrows and what is the meaning of dots? You must know. This is the direction of propagation of light. Dots represents the direction of vibrations which is perpendicular to the plane of the paper in this direction, and vertical arrows represent direction which is perpendicular to this and parallel to the plane of the paper. Comparing these two directions which are mutually perpendicular, also perpendicular to the direction of propagation. So this is the symbol of unpolarized light. This is unpolarized light in which dots are also and vertical arrows are also present. This is unpolarized light in which electric field vectors which are vibrating in all possible directions and which are perpendicular to each other and also perpendicular to the direction of propagation. Now suppose if a calcite crystal or tourmaline crystal with its optic axis is placed in the path of this ordinary light or unpolarized light. Say unpolarized light is incident on the calcite crystal, then the light emerges out from the calcite crystal or tourmaline crystal has vibrations in one plane only. That is, suppose optic axis is vertical, then only these vibrations can pass, vertical vibrations can pass, but the horizontal vibrations are stopped or restricted or confined by this calcite crystal. So emerging light has vibrations in one plane only. Other vibrations are blocked. So dots are not shown because here at the optic axis vibrations are blocked. The light emerges out from the calcite crystal is called or is known as polarized light. What is the difference between these two? In unpolarized light, vibrations in all possible directions are present. In polarized light, the vibrations of electric field vectors, or we can say that vibrations of light in one plane are present. All the other vibrations are blocked by this crystal. So this light is polarized light. It is found that intensity of light decreases. This is unpolarized light and polarized. From this phenomenon, we can define polarization. So what is polarization? Polarization is the phenomenon of light when unpolarized light is incident on tourmaline or calcite crystal. The light emerges out from the calcite crystal. The vibrations are confined or restricted in one plane only. Such a phenomenon is known as polarization. Now, we have to discuss the Brester's law related to polarization, Brester's law of reflection in the next lecture. Thank you.